4 years, one sentence has frustrated thousands of Indian professionals. Please wait. Wait for your H-1B lottery. Wait for your PERN approval. Wait for your green card. Wait and keep waiting. For many Indians, that wait has stretched into decades. Some have spent maybe most of their career waiting for permanent residency. Some children have even grown into adults while their parents they remain stuck in the immigration system. But now, a new approval in the US Senate is giving many skilled professionals fresh hope. Well, a bipartisan bill called the Keep STEM Talent Act proposes easier pathway to permanent residency for certain advanced STEM graduates from the US universities who kind of meet the eligibility requirement here. Now, let me simplify that. What that really means here. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These are the sectors where America says that it needs more skilled workers. Artificial intelligence, semiconductors, cybersecurity, robotics, data science, healthcare technology. These industries are growing rapidly, and America does not want to lose talented graduates after educating them. Under the proposal, qualifying graduates with advanced STEM degrees and relevant job offers could become eligible for a faster green card pathway outside the normal employment-based numerical cap if the bill becomes a law. But you know what? Before anyone celebrates, remember one point. Remember one word here. Proposed. This is not a law yet. The bill still has to move through the legislative process. That means nothing changes immediately. The proposal also includes conditions. Employer would still need to meet the wage and recruitment requirement, and applicants, they must undergo security screening. Still, you know what? This whole proposal sends an important message. America is beginning to realize that global talent do matter. Countries around the globe are competing for skilled professionals. If highly educated workers leave, innovation leaves with them. And that is why immigration policy is slowly becoming part of economic policy. For thousands of Indian engineers, researchers, software developers, and scientists, this one bill they will be watching very, very closely. And yes, while America is thinking about attracting more skilled workers, Canada is moving in a very different direction. And for many temporary residents, the competition has become tougher than ever before. For years, thousands of Indians believed just one thing: study in Canada, find a job, build your CRS score, get permanent residency. It looked like a perfect roadmap. But today, that roadmap has changed, and many temporary residents are now discovering that getting Canadian PR is much harder than it was just a few years ago. Canada has reconstructed its express entry system, placing greater emphasis on categories, based selection, and targeted occupation, while competition in general draws that remains high. Wait, let's understand what this really means. Earlier, many applicants focused mainly on increasing their CRS score. Today, that alone, it may not be enough. Canada is giving priority to specific sectors such as healthcare, STEM occupation, skilled trades, in fact, transport, and French language proficiency under this category-based selection approach. There is another challenge here. Millions of temporary residents are competing for a limited number of permanent residency invitation. So that means competition has become much more tougher. Applicants whose profiles don't really match priority category may have to wait much longer for the invitation. The government has also changed the value of some arranged employment points and provisional nomination that have become more targeted towards local labor shortage here. So wait, what's the message? Message is that don't assume that yesterday's immigration strategy will work tomorrow. Immigration policies do evolve. Countries change their priorities, and applicants need to adapt quickly. For Indians studying or working in Canada, this is the time to understand the new rule. Review your option and plan early instead of waiting until your permit is close to expiring.